Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set off the timer in your Panasonic AC in 2026. So first of all, you need to point your remote towards the indoor unit, and then you need to press this on and off button in order to basically turn on or power on your AC. Now once this is done, you just have to simply locate this type of timer off button, and you need to press this particular button once. Now when you press the timer off button, a timer number or a clock icon will be available over here. So when you see that, you just have to simply start pressing off timer. So you can use these buttons like you can choose how many hours later you want the AC to turn off automatically. So for example, you can select 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hours, 3 hours depending on your preference. Now on many Panasonic remotes, the timer saves automatically after a few seconds. Some of the models may require pressing the set button in order to confirm the timer. So you need to simply take a look at the remote or the AC display, and here you will see this type of clock available, or basically the timer available. So if you want to remove the timer later, you can just simply press this particular cancel button, and that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.